day has finally come. I am going to style these clip-ins. Oh, I forgot my towel. Okay, I'm back. My mirror's down here, so I'll be using that to see myself. Right now, I'm working with damp hair. I kind of lightly towel dried it. This is the color of them, and it's not exactly my color, but I think the tones will play off nicely. And there's so many different kinds of like highlights, lowlights. I really like that in here. I feel like it makes it look more real. I have my clips, a wide tooth comb, a fine tooth comb, some conditioner, and a spray bottle because the ends of my hair get dry faster than the roots of my hair. So, oh, and we're also gonna need this to wet the clip-ins because they are just dry right now. Now, usually when I do a braid out, I would condition and grease and comb my whole head and then go back and braid it. But I think since I'm working with so much hair this time, I'm going to work by sections. So I'll section it, moisturize it, clip it, braid it, and then move on to the next section. The last time I did this, I ran out of places to put clips in my head. This hair company sends a lot of hair. Oh, does this match my look? It matches my shirt. So cute. I'm in love with this color lately. I think I'm gonna add conditioner. I just wanna make sure whatever I put on it is gonna help it mold around my hair. And instead of putting gel, I think conditioner is a better option. Okay, and this is the first braid. I'm going to do the rest and then I will come back. Before I go, I just want to give a shout out to my skin. I went to the beach recently and got a tan. Thank you, Jesus. I just feel like... Okay, so I'm pretty much almost done. The braids look so pretty, and a lot of the times I was braiding my hair into the clips and I was losing track of like where my hair would end and where the other hair would begin. I have 2 pieces left, one of these with 2 clips and one of these with 4. What am I supposed to do with this? I was really like being mindful of spacing and like using all the clips, and then all of a sudden I look at what I need versus what I have. I need like 2 of these. I like almost want to cut it, but I don't want the hair to shed. Maybe my head is just not big enough for all these clips, but there's no space. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. We shall see. finished, and might I say that this is a little bit of a look. I just love the length. Now all that's left is to dry. I'm going to air dry these. You can sit under the dryer if you like to speed up the process, but I ain't got nowhere to be, so I'm just gonna let these air dry by themselves. Good morning. It has been 2 days since I braided this. Wow, and it is exposing me. It was very uncomfortable to sleep on just because the braids are so thick. Other than that, when I take them down in the morning, it feels like it's my natural hair. I wouldn't even know that there's clips in my head. Should I do a little something? Hold on. Okay, I did a little makeup, little something. My hair sucks up a lot of moisture, so I definitely need this to combat frizz. Oh my gosh, wow. That that looked like my hair. I got too excited. Wow. That is literally my hair. Wow, this one looks crazy. This one looks like my hair intertwined with the other hair looks like highlights. Look at that. Ooh, it looks so good. These two, just the placement of them made sleeping so hard. I can't wait to go to sleep tonight and just know that when I wake up, my back won't be in pain. I think it's maybe because subconsciously while I sleep, my body is knowing that I'm trying to stay still. Like, remember when you slept with pads? Your body was like, and you'd wake up all tense because you weren't trying to make a mess. Oh wow, the back one looks really good. This is one that I blended in between the clips. I found that if I want to blend them but also make sure that no one can see them, I have to put the clip in between two sections of hair. So I'll have hair coming out of my head like this, I'll put a clip in like this, and then I'll braid all three sections, but make them very thin so that the braid's the same size as everything else. Ooh, wow, look at that shine. She's healthy. Okay. Oh, that feels so good. Wow. Shakira, Shakira. Wow, it feels like so much hair. What tends to get frizzy the fastest is the roots. So when this is just my hair, I usually just take apart the ends and then kind of let the roots do their own thing. See, look how much better this side looks compared to this side. I'm obsessed. I think for the length of this hair, I think I should have parted it on the side, right middle. Side. See, I feel like that looks so much better with the length and everything. But next time. I realize I haven't even done any baby hairs yet, and I'm still obsessed. Wow. Ta-da!
Wow!
Doesn't it look great?
Oh my god, it looks awesome! Wow! It looks so good!
Right? I hope this was helpful. It's been a journey to dye these clips and then get them to look like my hair, but we made it.